we are now building my railway. So I did all this. Look, you can even see the pig. There we go. Right, so we're going to put that there. Right, there we go. Like this can go to massive city. Yeah, but this might take a while, so don't expect anything, because this can take quite a while. I've actually not done my map because I'm not done yet. You're going like away from the massive statue, and then there's like a junction bit. We'll do that place a little bit later on, and then we'll go here like this. So yeah, now we're going to just wait for a sec. Oh wait, there we go. Now we're going to change over again. Yeah, so I don't really know what I'm going to do. Don't really know. Yeah, so wait a sec. Yeah, it's nearly down. Right, now this is like here. Yeah. Now we're going to like do this like that. Then we're going to like do like a little bit of a platform like this, and then that is going to be just I'm trying to do a video. Right, so now we're going to do, oh yes, this looks amazing. Woo! Face is torn off, literally. That just looks strange. Right, we've got a like this is no, it looks really weird. Now this is going to be like that, nearly there. Nearly there. Now this kind of like, this place needs a lever. Now we're going, now not to get confused with this, because this goes to another place. Oh my god. But like this is two places. So the lever basically controls where you are going. So yeah, let's do this. No, oh yay, it does work. Junction. Oh my gosh, I got a Minecraft junction done. Now that's gonna, yeah, if you're going this way from the station, from that station, you're gonna go that way. If you're coming from there, yeah. So blah 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 blah. Basically, really technical stuff. Let's just make sure this doesn't like set off anything. This power? No, it doesn't power. Right, now let's put. I really like. Yeah, I like the rails because they kinda are kind of good. Right, none of that. Yeah. Oh my days. I've only probably about woken up, so I'm not that good at this redstone. like, hey, you can't judge me. You can. Right. That's actually quite a cool blue. Got that. Right now, if like, we going to have to place these under me? I don't know if this is like a thing.
Also electrics.
Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is extreme. Yeah, so we're gonna put this, that, yeah, so it's quite cool. I really do like this stuff. Hey, so now we can just yeah. So this, like this, I guess. Yeah, this looks cool. Then this, like, does not need a be. Well, it does kind of. I guess it does need to be here, but like, you've got to be quite.
Just wonder if
Yeah, this is going to be like fixed. I've like put this to all its rights. Oh my word! How do I even need those supports? Yes, I do. I do need those supports. There we go. Now we're gonna have to go boom.
Wait a minute. I know what this is from.
What? Oh yeah, that kind of looked like a little bit like a torch, like one of those normal torches. And I was like, oh, that's not gonna be too good.
Must be some sort of Lego, Ollie.
Right, now guys, before I end this video, we are going to test out this railway. I've already put like a car over here, which is really cool. Right, let's take off my mask, because that one. Right, we are gonna. I'm not. How? Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Whoa! And go, and it stops. Booyah! That's how I'm gonna end